can't lead, protect, or build if you're financially weak. Most men grow up hearing they should be strong, brave, resilient, but rarely we are taught that money is part of that strength. Here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. If you're broke, you're vulnerable. If you're in debt, you're not free. And if you're financially unstable, you can't lead others, you're barely surviving yourself. Financial instability robs you of power, peace, and purpose. But building wealth, that gives you the power to choose your life. Why men must build wealth? Look, I'm not saying you need to become a millionaire overnight, but you must become a man who pays his bills on time, has an emergency fund, can walk away from any job, any relationship, any situation, can provide when it matters most. Because your woman needs stability, your children need security, and you need to look in the mirror and know you're in control. Where most men go wrong. Most men make 3 critical mistakes. 1. They live for instant pleasure. Fast food, fast women, fast dopamine. But wealth isn't built on speed, it's built on patience and discipline. 2. They have no financial plan. If you don't know where your money's going, it's already gone. Budget, track, review. 3. They think working hard is enough. But if your hard work doesn't build equity, assets, or freedom, you're just running on a hamster wheel. How to build wealth like a man. Here's the blueprint. Simple, not easy, but powerful. 1. Master your mindset. Tell yourself, I'm responsible for every dollar that enters and leaves my life. Kill victimhood. Replace it with ownership. 2. Track every dollar. Use apps like Winab, Mint, or a simple spreadsheet. Know your income, know your expenses, know your leaks. 3. Cut what's weakening you. Unnecessary subscriptions, take out every other day. Impressing people you don't even like. Stop buying liabilities. Start stacking assets. 4. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one job. That's modern-day slavery. Learn skills. Writing, editing, coding, sales, marketing. Start something on the side. YouTube, freelancing, e-commerce. Wealthy men don't earn more time, they use time smarter. 5. Invest early, invest often. Start small, start now. Learn index funds, ETFs, real estate, or business equity. Compounding is quiet at first, then loud forever. 6. Stay hungry, stay humble. No ego, just progress. Let your money grow in silence, flash less, build more. Wealth is what you don't see, the bank account, the mindset, the calm. Why this matters? Money doesn't buy happiness, but poverty steals peace. And a man at peace can love deeply, lead powerfully, and give freely. You're not just building wealth for yourself, you're building it for your future family, for the moments when life punches you in the gut, for the times when you have to carry others, and when that moment comes, you won't panic, you'll be ready, calm, collected, built for the storm. Money isn't everything, but as a man, financial strength is non-negotiable. You owe it to yourself. You owe it to the people you'll lead. Stop making excuses. Start building your fortress. Start today. Discipline, stability, freedom. Become the man they can count on. If this message hit you, don't just listen. Act. Drop a comment, I'm building. Subscribe for more truth, strategy, and strength. You're not here to survive, you're here to rise. Thanks for watching.